Hello students, in today's lecture we are going to study the method of preparation of alcohol from the carbonyl compounds using or by addition of Grignard's reagent to the carbonyl compound. Now first of all we will see about what is the meaning of Grignard reagent or what is Grignard's reagent. This Grignard's reagent, that is Gr. It is represented as Gr. It is an organometallic compound. It is an organometallic compound in which the magnesium metal, that is the Mg metal, is directly attached to organic group, that is R group. Carbon atom or R group. We can see here this Gr is organometallic compound in which the magnesium metal is directly attached to the organic group or organic group. It is generally represented as R group. The general representation of Grignard's reagent, it is R MgX. Here R group is organic group. It is the Mg which is directly attached to R group, and it is the halogen. Halogen, it may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. इथं फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन आणि आयोडीन पैकी कोणताही एक हॅलोजन असू शकतो आणि इथं आर ग्रुपमध्ये इट मे बी प्रायमरी और सेकंडरी और टर्शियरी. बट द बेस्ट Gr is the best Grignard's reagent. It is according to the order of reactivity. If we see the order of reactivity, for R group or alkyl group, for R group or alkyl group, it is primary alkyl group 1 degree. It reacts fastly with Grignard's reagent, then secondary alkyl group, and then tertiary alkyl group. That means primary alkyl group, they react fast with the magnesium metal and form Grignard reagent. The order decreases as 1 degree to 2 degree to 3 degree. For halogen, the order of reactivity for halogen, it is fast react with iodine, then with bromine, then with chlorine, and then with fluorine. That means we can obtain Grignard reagent by the reaction with metal, magnesium metal, with primary alkyl halide and with iodine as the halogen. Hence the best Grignard's reagent here, the best Grignard's reagent is CH3 Mgr. The best Grignard's reagent, it is CH3 Mgr. And this CH3 Mgi we have to use in many reaction for the reaction with Grignard's reagent. आता हा methyl magnesium iodide. It is the best Grignard's reagent. हा Grignard's reagent वापरून आपल्याला बऱ्याचशा रिएक्शन स्टडी करायचे. अँड द बेस्ट Gr हा क्वेश्चन MCQ साठी 1 मार्कासाठी विचारला जातो किंवा ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्टिव्हिटी विथ अल्काइल ग्रुप और आर ग्रुप अँड विथ हॅलोजन ऑफ Grignard's रिएजंट हे सुद्धा 1 मार्कासाठी 2 मार्कासाठी MCQ साठी विचारलं जातं. इथं लक्षात काय ठेवायचे तर इथं डेफिनेशन जी आहे Grignard's रिएजंटची, दिस डेफिनेशन इज ऑल्सो आस्क्ड फॉर 1 मार्क in अगोदरचे जे बोर्ड एक्झाम 2-3 वर्षापूर्वीचे जे झालेले आहेत त्याच्यामध्येही ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंटची डेफिनेशन 1 मार्कासाठी विचारलेली आहे. व्हॉट इज ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंट? इथं ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंटची डेफिनेशन आपल्याला लिहावी लागते आणि बेस्ड जी आहे हा CH3MgI आहे हे मेन्शन करावं लागतं, किंवा ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंट इज जनरली रिप्रेझेंटेड ॲज RMgX असं सुद्धा लिहिलं तरी चालतं 1 मार्काच्या डेफिनेशनसाठी. हा प्रश्न 1 मार्कासाठी MCQसाठी आणि डेफिनेशन 1 मार्कासाठी विचारली जाते थेरॉटिकल पार्टमध्ये. ओके, नाव युजिंग दिस GR वी हॅव टू प्रिपेअर द अल्कोहोल्स अँड GR अँड कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. वी हॅव टू प्रिपेअर अल्कोहोल. विल सी हिअर वन बाय वन. First of all, we will see the general reaction. The carbonyl groups, they are represented as C double bond O. The bond between carbon and oxygen, it is polar bond, because due to the difference in electronegativities, oxygen it is more electronegative than carbon, therefore it carries minus delta charge. As it carries minus delta, the carbon bears positive delta. It is carbonyl group. This carbonyl group, when it react with Grignard's reagent RMgX, it is Grignard's reagent. As here halogen is more electronegative, it carries minus delta. As halogen is minus delta, this Mg becomes plus delta. As Mg becomes plus delta, R becomes minus delta. इथं हा निगेटिव्हली चार्जड आहे, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्हिटी हॅलोजनची जास्त आहे, therefore it withdraw shared pair of electron towards itself. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्हिटी जास्त असल्यामुळे हा इलेक्ट्रॉनची पेअर स्वतःकडे खेचून घेतो, therefore it bears negative charge. As it bears negative charge, Mg carries positive charge. As Mg carries positive charge, R becomes negatively charged. Now here what happens? This negatively charged R group, it attacks on this positively charged carbon in the carbonyl group. Therefore, here the bond between pi bond between carbon and oxygen gets broken. इथं कार्बन आणि ऑक्सिजन मध्ये जो पाय बॉन्ड आहे, डबल बॉन्ड पैकी एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड असतो आणि एक पाय बॉन्ड असतो. तो पाय बॉन्ड जो आहे तो ब्रेक होतो. इथं हा निगेटिव्हली चार्ज आर ग्रुप काय करतो, या पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज कार्बनवरती अटॅक करतो. या दोघांमध्ये असणारा पाय बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो. Therefore, here we obtain the product as this reaction takes place. The reactions of Grignard's reagent, they are always takes place in presence of dry ether. They always takes place in presence of dry ether. Here we obtain, इथं हा कार्बनला असणारे जे 2 बॉन्ड आहेत they remains as it is. Carbon also remains as it is. In this way, the R group gets attached to this carbon here. Okay, and this MgX it gets attached to this oxygen. Therefore, we get here as OMgX. Okay, this is an intermediate compound. This product which is obtained, it is an intermediate, and as this intermediate is obtained by the addition of Grignard's reagent to the carbonyl group, it is also called as adduct. It is also called as adduct. Adduct is nothing but addition product. Combination of 2 words, addition product. This addition product, it is obtained by the addition of Grignard's reagent to this carbonyl group. Now this addition product is unstable. Therefore it undergo acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis म्हणजे काय? Hydrolysis which takes place in presence of acid. Hydrolysis म्हणजे काय? Reaction with water. Okay. Now in second step, it is the first step. In second step, what happens? This adduct R O MgX, it is the adduct. It undergo hydrolysis in presence of acid. हे तुम्ही असं लिहू शकता H2O ऑब्लिक H प्लस किंवा प्रोटोनेटेड वॉटर H3O प्लस असं सुद्धा लिहिलं तरी चालतं. दोन्हीपैकी काहीही एक घ्या, दोन्हीही चालेल. व्हॉट हॅपन्स हियर? H2O, this H2O we can write as H and OH minus, H plus and OH minus. We can also write here. What happens here? The bond between oxygen and magnesium, it gets broken. The H gets attached to this oxygen and OH gets attached to this magnesium. Okay. Now here we get the product as OH R plus MgXOH, and this one, this product, it is alcohol. Now here the alcohol may be primary, may be secondary, or may be tertiary, depending on the R group and the valencies to the carbon atom. या कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच असणारा आर ग्रुप आणि ह्या ज्या दोन व्हॅलेन्सीज आहेत या व्हॅलेन्सीजवरती डिपेंड असतं की तयार होणारा अल्कोहोल जो आहे तो प्रायमरी असणार का सेकंडरी असणार का टर्शरी असणार. द बेनिफिट ऑफ युझिंग दिस मेथड, दॅट इज बाय प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल युझिंग कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड by addition of Grignard's reagent, the benefit of this method, it is that we can prepare all the three types of alcohols, primary, secondary and tertiary. It is the benefit of this reagent or this method. Now we will see one by one the examples as first example. Instead of the general reaction, if we use formaldehyde, as our reagent, HCH double bond O, it is formaldehyde. It is the first step. This formaldehyde react with Grignard's reagent. In this reaction we have to take, or we are going to take the best Grignard's reagent, that is CH3MgI. The name of this compound, it is methyl magnesium iodide. Okay. Now this reaction, it takes place in presence of dry ether. What happens here? As we shown in the general reaction, that means here the bond, pi bond between carbon and oxygen, it gets broken. This CH3, it gets attached to this carbon, okay, and this oxygen and Mg, they attach with Mgi, they attach with each other. Here we get the product as, आता इथं बघा या इथं हायड्रोजन, कार्बन आणि हा हायड्रोजन, it remains as it is, त्याला काहीही फरक पडत नाही. Therefore we have to write, or we are going to write here all the things as it is. What happens here? This CH3, it gets attached to this carbon, okay. Therefore we have to write here CH3. Now to this oxygen Mgi gets attached. Therefore we have to write here as OMgI. Now here it is the addition product, that is adduct. This adduct, it is unstable. Now in second step, this adduct, it undergo acid hydrolysis. Second step, AgR. This is the adduct. This adduct, it undergo acid hydrolysis. H2O oblique H plus असं लिहू शकता किंवा protonated water असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल. Here what happens? The bond between oxygen and magnesium, it gets broken here, H gets added here and OH gets added here. Okay, and finally we obtain the compound as हा HCH आहे असाच राहतो, HCH इथं हा CH3 here O and H, therefore it is OH plus MgOH. Now this compound, name of this compound हे असं लिहिलं तर आपल्याला काहीतरी खूप वेगळं लिहिल्यासारखं वाटतं किंवा कंपाऊंड हा वेगळा काहीतरी जाणवतोय, वेगळा वाटतोय. हे जर आपण सरळ लिहिलं, व्यवस्थित लिहिलं तर कसं दिसेल हा कंपाऊंड? हा CH3. ओके, हा CH3, हा जो कार्बन आहे सेकंड कार्बन, या कार्बनला 2 हायड्रोजन CH2 आणि त्याच कार्बनला OH. ओके, दिस कंपाऊंड वी कॅन राईट इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. आणि हे नाव आपल्याला सोपं जातं. इट इज इथाइल अल्कोहोल. ओके, नाउ दिस इथाइल अल्कोहोल, इट इज प्राइमरी अल्कोहोल or 1 degree alcohol. This ethyl alcohol, it is primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol. Why it is primary or 1 degree? Because the OH group, it is attached to primary carbon. This carbon is primary carbon. Primary carbon, it is attached to another only one carbon. Therefore, this carbon is primary. Hence, this alcohol, it is primary alcohol. Okay. Now, we will take here the second example as acetaldehyde. What happens here in acetaldehyde? Only changes I will show here. Acetaldehyde is nothing but if instead of this hydrogen it is CH3. Okay, the name again here, instead of formaldehyde it becomes acetaldehyde. इथं आपण ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंट बदलणार नाही आहे कारण हा बेस्ट ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंट आहे. इथं बदललं आहे काय आपण तर फॉर्मल्डिहाइडच्या ऐवजी काय घेतलेलं आहे ॲसिटाल्डिहाइड. फक्त चेंजेस काय होत आहेत बघा तेवढंच लक्ष द्या. इथं इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस हायड्रोजन, instead of only this hydrogen we have to write here CH3. Here it is CH3. CH3 C आणि H आहे असा. मग हा CH3 कुठून येतो? This CH3 comes from this Grignard's reagent and this one is the adduct. Okay. Now this adduct इथं सुद्धा चेंज आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? इथं हायड्रोजनच्या ऐवजी ओनली CH3. Now this adduct on acid hydrolysis it will give the product as इथं सुद्धा काही चेंजेस नाही, फक्त हायड्रोजनच्या ऐवजी CH3. Now this compound it is nothing but हा जो कंपाऊंड आहे तो आपण वेगळ्या पद्धतीने कसा लिहू शकतो? We can write this one as या कार्बन आयटमला हा एक CH3 अटॅच आहे, हा एक CH3 अटॅच आहे, हायड्रोजन आणि OH वर या पद्धतीने अटॅच आहे. देअरफॉर दिस कार्बन इथं हायड्रोजन अटॅच आहे, इथं OH अटॅच आहे आणि इकडं CH3 अटॅच आहे. दोन CH3 ग्रुप इथं अटॅच झाले, हायड्रोजन इथं दिला आणि OH ग्रुप असा दिला. इट इज द प्रॉडक्ट and this product, name of this product it is isopropyl alcohol. It is nothing but isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol, it is 2-degree or secondary alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol, it is nothing but 2-degree or secondary alcohol. That means using acetaldehyde and Grignard's reagent, we can prepare secondary or 2-degree alcohol. Now, what about the next one? That is, we are going to change the reagent as acetone. Instead of acetaldehyde, here we are taking acetone. Here the only change, instead of this hydrogen, we are going to write here CH3. हा कंपाउंड जर आपण असा लिहिला CH3 C double bond O CH3. Same compound, and name of this compound, it is acetone. It is acetone. Now this acetone on reaction with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether, the only change here again, it is CH3. हा CH3 आणि हा कार्बन हे सेम राहतं आहे असंच. इथं फक्त हा CH3 group, it comes from this methyl magnesium iodide, and here we obtained adduct, that is an intermediate. Again here change, it is as CH3. This adduct on acid hydrolysis, it gives further product as, instead of this hydrogen here we have to write as CH3, and here also इथं या हायड्रोजनच्या ऐवजी फक्त CH3 या पद्धतीने, म्हणजे वरचाच कंपाऊंड आपण असं लिहिलेलं आहे. नाउ वी कॅन क्लिअरली लुक ॲट द कंपाऊंड. इट इज tertiary, it is nothing but tertiary butyl alcohol. Why it is tertiary butyl alcohol? 1 2 3 4 चार कार्बन ॲटमचा करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन कोणता आहे? ब्युटेन. ब्युटेनचा हा OH आहे, म्हणजे ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल. पण हा फक्त ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल नाही आहे, तर अल्कोहोल OH ग्रुप, इट इज अटॅच्ड टू टर्शियरी कार्बन. टर्शियरी कार्बन इज दॅट कार्बन विच इज अटॅच्ड टू अनदर 3 कार्बन ॲटम्स. देयरफॉर इट इज tertiary butyl alcohol. This tertiary butyl alcohol, it is nothing but 3-degree or tertiary alcohol. Okay. Now, looking at the reactions, we can conclude that using carbonyl compounds and Grignard's reagent, we can prepare all the 3 types of alcohols. From formaldehyde, we can prepare primary or 1-degree alcohol using acetaldehyde किंवा aldehyde other than formaldehyde. They will produce or they will give secondary alcohol or 2-degree alcohol, and the acetone or ketone, any ketone on reaction with Grignard's reagent, it will give tertiary or 3-degree alcohol. That means, in short, we can write as formaldehyde प्लस एनी Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent कुठलाही घेतला तरी चालतो. इथं अल्डिहाइड मात्र फॉर्मल्डिहाइड पाहिजे. फॉर्मल्डिहाइड प्लस एनी Grignard's reagent, it will produce primary or 1-degree alcohol. Second point, any aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Formaldehyde या त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त इतर कोणताही अल्डिहाइड असेल, देन ऑन रिॲक्शन विथ Grignard's reagent it will produce secondary or 2 degree alcohol. Okay, now the third point here, it is ketones. कोणताही कीटोन असू दे, कीटोन प्लस Grignard's reagent, they will always give tertiary or 3 degree alcohol. Okay, and this is asked for the MCQ questions or the competitive exams in CET, NEET, JEE. असं स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड विचारलं जात नाही. कसं विचारतात इथं क्वेश्चन कसा विचारला जातो, Grignard रिएजंट दिला जातो किंवा इथं अल्डिहाइड दिला जातो. हा Grignard रिएजंट वापरून तुम्ही प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल कसा प्रिपेअर करणार, मग तिथं तुम्हाला ऑप्शन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, एनी अल्डिहाइड, कीटोन वगैरे काही दिलं असेल. जो अल्कोहोल आपल्याला प्रिपेअर करायचा आहे त्याच्यावरून ठरवायचं रिएजंट कोणता आहे, किंवा जर रिएजंट दिलेला असेल तर त्याच्यावरून ठरवायचं अल्कोहोल कोणता प्रिपेअर होणार. जर फॉर्मल्डिहाइड प्लस Grignard's रिएजंट असेल तर प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, एनी अल्डिहाइड अदर दॅन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड असेल आणि Grignard रिएजंट असेल तर सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल, आणि एनी कीटोन कोणताही कीटोन असेल आणि Grignard रिएजंट असेल तर टर्शियरी अल्कोहोल. ओके, now here we will see one more example, that is addition of Grignard reagent with epoxide. Reaction with epoxide. Now what is the meaning of epoxide? Epoxides are three-membered ring compound epoxides are three-membered ring compounds having two carbon atoms and one oxygen atom. It is three-membered compound, three-membered ring compound in which two carbon atom and one oxygen atom is present. Here, for example, epoxides example given upon CH2, CH2O. It is epoxide. Okay, these epoxide, they also react with Grignard's reagent, and this epoxide on reaction with Grignard's reagent, they always give primary or 1 degree alcohol. It is the general representation of this reaction. Epoxide म्हणजे काय, तर हा तीन मेंबर असलेली क्लोज रिंग स्ट्रक्चर असते, ज्याच्यामध्ये दोन कार्बन ॲटम असतात आणि एक ऑक्सिजन ॲटम असतो. अशा कंपाऊंडला काय म्हणायचं, इपॉक्साइड म्हणायचं. जेव्हा हा इपॉक्साइड आणि Grignard रिएजंट यांची रिॲक्शन होते तेव्हा त्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये जो प्रॉडक्ट मिळतो, इट इज ऑलवेज प्रायमरी और 1 degree अल्कोहोल. नाउ हियर यू विल सी द पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल. This epoxide plus CH3MgR, it is methyl magnesium iodide. This reaction takes place in presence of dry ether. Okay, now here what happens, the bond between oxygen and carbon, it gets broken here. हा CH3 group जो आहे, हा CH3 group, it gets attached to this carbon and oxygen and Mg, they attach with each other here. Now here we obtain the product as हा CH3 या CH2 ला attach होतो, म्हणजे इथं CH2 आणि CH2 हे जे दोन आहेत एकमेकांशी लिंक असलेले, they remains as it is. To this CH2, this CH3 get attached. This CH3 to this oxygen MgI gets attached. O MgI, and this one is nothing but addition product, that is adduct. It is the first step. In first step what happens? Epoxide react with Grignard's reagent in presence of dry ether and it will give addition product as adduct. Now in second step, this addition product, this one we can write in straight way also. CH3 असा सरळ लिहिला तरी चालतो. To this CH3, CH2 and CH2, इथं हा CH2 OMgI we can write in straight forward. This adduct on acid hydrolysis, hydrolysis in presence of acid. What happens here? Here the bond between oxygen and magnesium, it gets broken, hydrogen get added here, OH get attached here. Therefore we obtain the product as CH3, CH2, 1 2 3 and नंतर OH plus MgIOH. And name of this compound 1 2 3 कार्बन ॲटमचा प्रोपेन, पेरेंट हायड्रोकार्बन प्रोपेन, प्रोपेनचा अल्कोहोल आणि तो पण स्ट्रेट चेन मध्ये. Therefore it is N propyl alcohol. It is the common name for this compound. याला आपण प्रोपॅन 1OL किंवा प्रोपॅनॉल असं सुद्धा म्हणलं तरी चालतं. And this N propyl alcohol, it is nothing but primary or 1 degree alcohol. Okay, that means from epoxide, here from epoxide we can generally write as this epoxide, we can generally write as epoxide plus Grignard's reagent, it will always give primary or 1 degree alcohol. Epoxide plus Grignard's reagent, always it will produce primary or 1 degree alcohol. Okay, here we completed the methods of preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compound and Grignard's reagent. Thank you.